Asterisk Wells Fargo is broken and customers are losing money. Deposits vanishing, Zelle failing, and fees draining accounts. But there's a way out. Here's why customers are dumping Wells Fargo. 1. VA, Social Security, paychecks, gone without warning. 2. Unemployed, low balance, Wells Fargo still takes your last $12. 3. Send money via Zelle, poof, it disappears. 4. Mobile check deposit failed, card blocked for no reason. But before you close your account, here's how to fight back. Demand a trace number, escalate to a manager. Want more banking secrets? Smash that subscribe button. We expose the truth banks don't want you to know. Say hardship. Wells Fargo must waive fees if you qualify. ATM failed? Get a receipt, call immediately. They owe you. Call fraud department, whitelist your frequent stores. But Wells Fargo, if you're watching, here's how you can stop the backlash. Wells Fargo, customers are fleeing. Fix this or lose millions. Show where the money is, like Uber Eats tracking. Stop charging unemployed people, it's disgusting. If it fails, instant refunds. No 10-day investigation. No more robots, real humans, 24/7. Until then, thousands are switching banks. Will you? If Wells Fargo screwed you, comment below. And if you want a bank that won't rob you, watch this next and subscribe for more money-saving exposés.